Okay folks, take a look at this man here. He was hired by NASA to make loads of photos in the 60s and early 70s. See the scissors on his desk, boys and girls? Oh, we got boys and girls coming in now.
Hello, boys and girls.
Hello, boys and girls.
What do you think of that, folks? Now what you've got there in a photo lab, you've got a man employed by NASA. To shut up all the numbskulls like Phase 52 and Joan Evans that I'm using low-res photos, I'll give you a screen crop from my library showing what photo it is. There you are, Phase 52. The number of the photo is AS15-82-11076HR. There is only two reasons for using Photoshop. One, you can use Photoshop to go from scratch, making up a brand new photo that's never been seen before, a brand new photo made with Photoshop. Or, two, you can use Photoshop to correct an old photo that's got errors in it, proving that it is fake. Okay, take a look at this photo here now. Here's an earlier version of that Mount Hadley. Now, at the base of the mountain, notice the straight line you can see gradually sloping down to the left. Right? Now, the mountain above that mountain was a plaster of Paris model. It was made by the company that was making the photos at the time. And I'll give you the proof of that. But another important thing to notice here, look at this big crater. You didn't see that in the modern updated version just now, did you? Now, what I told you in the previous video, where I showed you the Indian totem pole head in a crater, that was for Apollo 16. Well, this is Apollo 15 and it's the same crater. As I told you, it's a crater dug out by an excavator at Houston in Texas. That earlier photo of Mount Hadley was nothing more than a tabletop plaster of Paris model. But 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 the question is, where was the photo taken of it? Well, take a look at it coming up when I brighten it up.
Hello, boys and girls.
Hello, boys and girls.
Okay, folks, take a look at this photo now, brightened up. One, two, three, four.
So it's person, woman, man, camera, TV.
Well, what about that, folks? A question by that idiot Phase 52, or should I say Joan Evans. Can I prove that that guy at the desk was faking Apollo photos? And as you've seen, I have provided the evidence and the answer to that. A photo of Mount Hadley taken on his desk showing the same background, the same sky. Well, what about that, Phase? You've got your answer there. Now, Phase, let me say this. Do you remember when you asked me if I could provide evidence of what I am saying about that guy at the desk making fake Apollo photos? Do you remember that? Well, here's the proof coming up, idiot. That guy at his desk, I brightened up the photo. Now, pay particular attention to what was initially a black wall behind him. There you are, Phase 52. Idiot, moron. I've now cropped out that tabletop, moonscape and the back wall. And look at the vertical strips all around the back wall. They are the same as what's on that Hadley, Mount Hadley photo, idiot. Okay, here you are, Phase, moron. What I've done here, I combined the two photos, the Mount Hadley photo and that guy's photo lab. And look at the back wall of his photo lab and compare it to the sky in the Mount Hadley photo. And you can see the same vertical strips. It's the same background, it's the same wall, idiot. There you are, you wanted proof that he's faking photos? There it is, Phase, idiot. Okay folks, we now come to the final question regarding this video. Who is the thickest idiot? Mr. Sensible or Phase 52? Well, it's pretty obvious to me